Most men spend their entire lives chasing women and never once figure out what she actually needs from them. Not what she says she wants, what she feels. And bro, those are two completely different things. Yo, real talk, you could be good looking, you could be successful, you could say all the right things at the right time and she'll still pull away. Why? Because attraction, deep, real, soul level attraction, has nothing to do with what you look like or what you say. It lives in your energy, your presence, the way you carry yourself when no one's clapping for you. And today, we're cracking open the 5 psychological secrets that 97% of men will go their entire lives without ever understanding. Not surface-level dating advice, not manipulation tactics, raw, unfiltered psychological truth. This is Stoicism Mastermind, where we don't chase validation, we decode human nature, psychology, philosophy, and the kind of attraction principles no school ever dared to put on a curriculum. To our legendary brothers who've been writing with this channel, y'all are the heartbeat of this brotherhood. Stay safe, stay strong, and keep moving with purpose. If you're brand new here, welcome fam. Hit that like, drop a comment, and subscribe right now because what we build here, you don't want to miss a single drop. Let's get into it. Bro, let me ask you something. You ever say something totally normal and she goes completely cold? You're standing there like, what did I even do? Here's what nobody told you. She's not being difficult. She's watching. Every single time a woman pushes back, goes quiet, or tests your reaction, she's not attacking you. She's auditioning you. Her subconscious mind is running a background check in real time. Can this man handle pressure? Does he crumble when I push? Does he get defensive, needy, or does he just stay solid? Because here's the psychological truth. She doesn't want a man she can break. She wants a man she can't break. When you respond with calmness, not coldness, not ego, just composed, grounded calm, you pass the audition without even trying. Most men fail this test daily because they think it's an argument. It's not. It's a screening process. And the man who understands that, he wins before he even opens his mouth. All right, let's get brutally honest for a second. You know what's actually attractive to a woman at the deepest level? It ain't abs. It ain't money. It ain't smooth lines. It's certainty. The feminine mind is wired to seek safety in chaos. She's always reading the room, your tone, your energy, the way you react when things go sideways. And when she finds a man who stays calm, genuinely, naturally calm, not fake chill, but rooted, something fires off in her nervous system that she can't explain. She just feels drawn. See, most men think attraction is about excitement. And yeah, excitement plays a role. But the deepest attraction, it's built on a man whose emotional temperature doesn't spike every time life gets uncomfortable. She wants to feel the storm, but she needs to know you are not the storm. When your composure holds under pressure, that's not just discipline. To her, that's the most attractive thing on earth. Yo, real quick, if this is hitting different for you right now, and I know it is, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. We drop psychological truth every single week that the mainstream will never give you. Join the brotherhood. You won't regret it. I back to it because it's about to get deep. Here's something wild. Women are, and I mean this literally, emotional polygraphs in any interaction. She's not processing just what you said. She's processing your tone, your pauses, your body language, your energy underneath the energy. She knows when you're performing. She knows when you're insecure, but pretending not to be. She knows when your confidence is real versus rehearsed. And in the moments that matter most, the vulnerable, unguarded moments, she's not reacting to you. She's responding to the frequency you're vibrating on. This is why Stoic mastery isn't just philosophy. It's psychological attraction engineering. When you are fully present, not needy, not performing, not thinking about what she thinks of you, she feels that. And it hits her somewhere words never reach. Because to a woman, a man who doesn't need her approval, but chooses to be present with her, that's the rarest thing she's ever experienced. And rare things, they're irreplaceable. Okay, here's where it gets real interesting. A woman doesn't want chaos, but she's magnetically pulled toward controlled danger. There's a man who's loud, unpredictable, aggressive. She avoids him. Then there's a man who's calm, composed, but has that edge, that quiet fire just beneath the surface. That look that says, I could, but I won't. That man, she cannot stop thinking about him. Why? Because the masculine energy that can dominate but chooses restraint signals something primal in her psychology: strength and morality, power and wisdom. The Stoics called it temporantia, power restrained by choice. And in everyday life, it shows up subtle. The eye contact you hold a second longer than expected. The pause before you respond, unhurried, deliberate. The moment you don't chase, don't explain, don't justify. You're not playing games. You're communicating through control. And that energy, it does more work than any pickup line ever written. This is the deepest one, bro. Stay with me. Most men treat intimacy, emotional or physical, like a transaction. I did this. Now she owes me that. But here's the truth that changes everything. She's not responding to what you do. She's responding to what you are. In every close, vulnerable moment, too nervous, systems are in conversation. No words needed, just energy. If you bring insecurity into that space, she feels it. If you bring neediness, she feels it. But if you bring groundedness, that rooted, clean, intentional presence, her whole nervous system exhales, because the feminine doesn't awaken through performance. It awakens through authenticity. And when she gives you that level of trust, that emotional surrender, she's not giving it to your surface. She's giving it to your discipline. The untrained man loses her after the moment. The grounded man, she carries him with her because he didn't just impress her. He left an imprint. So what does this all mean for you? It means the work isn't out there. It's in here. Master your emotions. Refine your intent. Anchor yourself so deeply in who you are that your presence alone communicates what most men spend their whole lives trying to say. Attraction isn't built in the moment. It's built in every moment before the moment. Here's your recap, brother. Her tests are auditions. Pass them with composure. Emotional stability is her deepest aphrodisiac 3. She reads your soul, not your words. Controlled danger creates magnetic polarity. Real intimacy is energy exchange, not performance. Stop asking what women want. Start becoming what they feel safe around. Once you win the inner war, every outer battle becomes effortless. If this spoke to you, smash that like button. Let's push this to every man walking this path who needs to hear it. Drop a comment right now. Which secret hit you the hardest? I read every single one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, bro, what are you waiting for? Hit subscribe and join the brotherhood. Men who move with power, patience, and purpose. Watch next. The most dangerous thing a man can do to a woman. Stoicism and masculine power. Because once you understand how real power works, every relationship starts on your terms. Click that next video, because once you understand how energy speaks louder than words, you'll never chase again. Stay safe, stay strong, stay surrounded by love wherever life takes you. Stoicism, mastermind brotherhood.